Hello YouTube, I'm going to do a video on the Digipower. Plugs into the USB on your computer to read SD, mini SD cards, various other cards, just a demonstration of it. You can see here on the side various places for the different types of cards you can put in it, and there's one also on the back. So let's get started. Alrighty, first we're going to take and demonstrate with the SD card, then we will do the mini SD card. This is the only two styles I have. As far as the other ones, I haven't had a chance to try them because I don't have anything that takes them. As far as the regular SD card, it takes and it goes in this slot right here, the one in the top, and this part here faces down. And you just take and plug that into the adapter. And this, by the way, there maybe is different ones. This is Digipower, and it is model, don't know if you can read that or not, it is DPMCR4. I bought this at Walmart, although I've seen them on Amazon and that. It was around $10. After we do that, we're just simply going to take and plug it into the USB port here on the side of my MacBook Pro. And when you plug it in, the underneath of it faces up, and then after you plug it in, it should, and it's right there, come up as, I guess put a name on it, but no name. Keep the computer awake here. Then you just want to take and double click on it there. There we go. I'm going to go down here, hit video, adjust it again, and hit our file. And I'm just going to pick one here and just demonstration. Let's see, one of the larger ones. Here's a 258.3 megabyte file. I'm going to take and we'll just drag this out to the desktop. And there, and it's actually started, but let me see here. There, actually, I'm a little late on the clock, starting it there. But there, and it finished there. It was under probably 5 seconds till I fumbled around, got the stopwatch going on the iPhone, and it, like I say, uploaded it onto the computer. Okay, now to close out of this, I'm going to take and eject it. On an Apple, be sure you eject it. It makes them all unhappy. But just double click on it and then come over here to where it says the, let's see, focus no name, and hit the little eject. And then when it pops out of the screen in the corner, you can safely eject it. Okay, now we're going to take and do the mini SD card, and it goes in the slot down underneath where that the SD card, and this faces up. Okay, and then take and we'll plug it back in again. One little, adjust it here. One little thing that I will say is that's just an Apple thing. When you're using this, I usually like to use a USB mouse, but my two USB ports, there's no way, and yeah, I've tried both of them. You can't use the mouse at the same time as this because it won't let you, not enough room to plug it in. But that again isn't the fault of this, that's the fault of the computer. And then we got our no name back in again. See here, there, we're going to just double click it again, then video. Let's see, we'll just pick one of these here. There's a 1.91 gigabyte. Let's try that one. And this time, we'll take this Now I'm going to set it to 0 and see how long this takes to do, but hit it there quicker. Okay, we'll drag it up here to the desktop. And we're going to hit start. And it's taking a little bit longer. Like I said, it was quite a bit larger file. Up to 24 seconds, 25. It's not quite halfway. It's showing now probably about up to 3/4. And we're getting there. You keep it there, you can watch it. Sorry about that. And it did it. 1 minute and 36 seconds to upload a 1.91 gigabyte file. Okay, I'm going to close out of this again. And we'll go do a demonstration on Windows 10, and then let's again make sure we eject it. Like I say, it's the Apple thing. If you don't, it'll tell you all sorts of, you ruin files and everything else. Although I've done it by accident and nothing's ever disappeared, but now that I know, I like to take and do it just to keep everything on it. Oh yeah, before we go off the Apple, this is after I've uploaded it on the computer. This is me flying drone. Just sort of the quality. Don't think you lost anything. It's just as good as the camera I have. But there it is after it's been uploaded. Alrighty, we'll go do that Windows 10 and show you. Okay, now we're going to do our demonstration on the Windows 10. If you somehow missed the earlier part of this and just hopped in now on the video, I first demonstrated this on a MacBook Pro, but we're going to take, like I say, get files off our SD card and upload them to our computer. And take this, and it plugs into right here in this slot. Yeah, right there. And this faces down. And I'm just going to take and plug it into one of the USB ports here on the side of the computer. And again, it faces, you're looking at the underneath of the adapter when it's plugged in ready to use. Okay, now on the Windows, the Mac I couldn't use my mouse, but this I can use the mouse. But after you plug it in, just click your little start button down here in the corner. Come up on mine, click Documents. Actually, yeah, there we go. Double click Documents and close out of that. And it's under, now take and show you that closer on the screen. It comes up as USB drive F. Yeah, right there. Then we'll just double click that. Then come over here and we'll click on video, double click it. And then one more time when it's ready. There we go, then double click video. And there's my files all on there. We're gonna pick one here. Actually, what I want to do is see if I can find the two I demonstrated with the MacBook Pro and see how long it takes on Windows 10. Okay, actually not sure which one I did do on the other one, but here's one of the largest one I found is a 233,330 kilobyte file. Now I'm going to take on this, take it and drag it over to my videos. Okay, and then it'll pop up here and we'll see. Yeah, I don't have any real large ones on the SD card. Then we get to the mini SD, and that completed in 10 seconds. Okay, we'll go demonstrate the mini SD card. Yeah, there it's telling me my antivirus has expired. Terrible. Okay, closed out of that. I'm going to take and pull this out, and we're going to put in our, if I can get it picked up, our mini SD card, which goes in the slot down below. And this also faces up. And we're going to take and plug that back into the USB port here on the side. Oh, see, I forgot my own lecture. It faces upside down when it's going in the right way. And back into our start window. Documents. There we go. And back to the USB-F. And our video. Now, let's see. Now we're cooking 1 million. There's a 2,119,377 kilobyte file. Let's drag that, and that'll give a little bit of test there and see how it does it there. Drag that over to our videos. And we're going to hit the start on our timer. See if I can actually do it and watch both. Oops, wrong way. There. Watch the progress on the computer plus the stopwatch. And we're 43%, 44. Pretty much that is sort of interesting. It's pretty much going right with the, like every second there, keeping up with the complete. Now we're 3/4 of the way. %. Alrighty. 1 minute and 42 seconds. Actually 1:43 because it was almost to the 1 minute and 43 seconds. Okay, then we'll go into our videos. 0195. See if I can find that file. I just saw it, I thought. Yeah, right there. Yep. And see here how the quality came out. There we go. It's a 17-minute video. So that wasn't bad. 1 minute and 43 seconds to upload to the computer. Okay, and taking. There we go. Yeah, I don't think no quality's been lost on it. Like I say, it's as good as the camera I was using. But all in all, I'd say it's a good product, does as promised. I bought it to replace, I had an old card reader. Really, with the Windows, it's not such of a big thing because you got an SD card slot. But again, I do mostly prefer Apples. But I had this guy, and I had this for like 5 years. It finally quit working is when I broke down and bought this about 2 weeks ago. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you found this informative and helpful. And please hit that subscribe button.